Wait, imagine tools that can turn your boring video into this, tools that instantly make your done thumbnail into this, and this, tools that can add subtitle in a snap without spending hours in editing. And let's not forget about the script. Instead of spending days coming up with something that's both informative and entertaining, this tool do it for you in a minute. So today I'm revealing 5 free AI tools that's only 1% of YouTubers know about. So buckle up, once you have got this tool, YouTube game gonna change forever. Writing a script on YouTube is not a joke. I made 30% of video success rides on it. Normally it takes me 2 to 3 days to come up with an idea and write whole story. But then I found a cheat code. This little genius doesn't need a coffee breaks and come up with an idea that you never imagined. You need script, boom, done. Video ideas sorted. Now you can focus what really matters. Like nailing the perfect YouTube thumbnail expression. Similar to ChatGPT, we all heard about Google. Google already has a new AI tool that's called Gemini. It probably knows what you want before you do. And yes, it's Google. It is one of the biggest search engines in the world. No more digging through endless search results for that one perfect answer Gemini got you. Just like ChatGPT does. But here is the kicker, where ChatGPT has few limitations, Gemini steps in and fills the gap. Best part of Gemini, it is free. At the end of the day, it's your choice. But with this 2 AI, you will get what you need. Alright flows, buckle up, here's the challenge for the day. It means I'm giving you a homework. Write this prompt in both ChatGPT and Gemini and see who gives the better result. Maybe the best AI win. And the prompt is in the description, so no excuse, okay? But wait, did I mention the scripting is the only 30% of your video? And what about the 70%? It's all about thumbnail. Yes, thumbnail is like the red carpet of your movie. It is the first thing viewers see. And it's better to make them stop scrolling. But how you can make a better thumbnail that you cannot stop resisting to click on it? Now this is where thumbnail Dallas comes in. Think of it as a Picasso of thumbnail creation. Just toss a few hints and it will give you 3 amazing thumbnails in one day with free. Trust me, with this AI you will able to save so much time thinking about the thumbnail idea. Now let's switch how we get this. Now let's dive into an example. For this video topic, we can add a prompt in ChatGPT like, hey there, give me a thumbnail idea in 4K with this resolution, with an aspect ratio of 16:9. Imagine a person holding a smartphone looking like they just ran a marathon while trying to shoot a short film in just 24 hours. Make it scream, it is possible. And just like that, it generates a best thumbnail idea for you. With the right prompt, you can get 3 thumbnail ideas for one day, which is free. Once you have got this idea logged and loaded, it's time to hit the record button and start shooting your thumbnail expression. Trust me, with those thumbnail expressions, you will have viewers clicking faster than you say procrastination. So go out there, grab that phone and let the world see you struggle. Because if you can survive this filming challenge, you can survive anything. Alright, so at the start, I show you that how can you change your background like this. For that you have to stay at one position in your video. However, if there is a movement, you need to make the frame by frame adjustment. And now let me show you how this magic happens by using an Adobe Firefly. First, take a screenshot of the scene you want to edit and upload it to Firefly Generative Tool AI. Once uploaded, select the background and type the prompt where you describe what you want to add or change in the background. And in just 3 seconds, Firefly will generate the new background along with several alternatives. Simply pick the one of the best fits your scene. Using this trick, it can transform your entire background with single snap. And in editing software, just mask out your object and boom, you can change your background like this. And for adding subtitle in your video with a snap without spending hours in editing software, I already made a video here. Watch this video and you can easily add your subtitle. Moving forward, so after you have completed the whole process and your video is ready, there is one final step. That how to choose a perfect thumbnail. Ever spend hours debating between what thumbnails will shoot better how your audience will see this thumbnail? This question arises every time when we make thumbnail. Well, here's where Thumbs Up TV comes in. With ThumbsUp.tv, you can let your viewer decide which thumbnail grabs their attention while you focus on more important tasks like what to eat for dinner. So there you have it. 5 free ad tool can take your YouTube videos from who's that to OMG it's them. Bye bye.